Hello guys, today I will show how to repair this dead battery. It's a running battery from DJI. It's not power on, it's not charging. I will try to charge right now. Are you sure? It's not start. It's totally dead. Okay, for that I will use this professional laptop battery analyzer. It's a very good tool. I retrieved this tool from this site. It's laptopu.ro. You can buy these tools, and this software need to pay license annually. Okay, I disassemble battery. I connect cable from tool to this mainboard. You can see SDR and securely pin out and GND ground, and now we'll connect to the interface. Okay, now battery is connected to interface, and I open software. Okay, start software. I connect interface. In my case is COM12. I connect. I try to read one time. It's normally to not read because I need to initialize this chip. For this I need to send some voltage to charging pins. I try to read, battery is read. Now I read battery, I can power off voltage from charging pins. You can see battery is locked because permanent fail is active. Now I stop reading, I go to reset tab, and I will try to reset. For reset I go to new reset, I read battery, okay, I go next after battery is read. Chip is selected because this battery contains BQ30Z55, but I go to DJI chip because this battery is DJI, and I go next. For that I need to unseal. I want until battery is unsealed. Okay, now I will clear all chip errors. Is cleared. I read chip. Okay, battery is unsealed, but no errors, no any byte activated. I will seal battery. I read again. Battery now is sealed. I exit. I go to battery. I read one time, and my battery is now unlocked. I can charge. This professional laptop battery analyzer can charge battery. Now I go to charge tab, and I try to charge. You can see battery is charging. Is very good. Now in this moment battery is working because battery is charging. Now after battery is repeated, I try to charge with charger. I will hit power. Now it's charging. It's very good. Now battery is charging very good. But this battery have another problem. I want to show you how it's charging, because this charge is destroyed. This battery can be used. I think in some time will be deactivated because charge was broken.